Best hotels in Shibuya. Imagine stepping out of your hotel into the heart of Tokyo's iconic Shibuya Scramble Crossing, neon lights dancing around you and the hum of the city pulsing in every direction. Staying in Shibuya means you're not just visiting Tokyo, you're living its vibrant rhythm. Whether you're here for world-class shopping, late-night entertainment, or seamless access to transport, choosing the right hotel can elevate your visit. Shibuya's hospitality landscape ranges from sleek luxury to smart mid-range and functional budget options, all within walking distance of the crossing and nightlife hotspots. At the top end, Cerulean Tower Tokyo Hotel stands out. Rising above the skyline, it offers spacious rooms with panoramic views, refined Japanese Western dining, and a serene spa, ideal for travelers seeking elegance amid urban energy. Another high-end contender is Shibuya Excel Hotel Tokyo, which connects directly to the station and crossing via a pedestrian bridge. Its convenience is unmatched, and while rooms are compact, the efficient layout and quality service make it a top choice for those who value both comfort and location. Mid-range travelers will find excellent value in Shibuya Stream Excel Hotel Tokyo. With modern decor, a buzzing lobby, and direct access to restaurants and a rooftop bar, it combines convenience with style at a reasonable price. Tokyo Stay Shibuya is another solid pick, offering apartment-style rooms complete with washer-dryer units and kitchenettes, perfect for longer stays or business travelers. For those traveling on a tighter budget, the Shibuya Tobu Hotel and diversity-rich Anda Ryokan offer clean, well-equipped rooms and easy access to the crossing. Anda Ryokan brings a traditional touch, with tatami floors and communal baths, providing a culturally immersive experience without a hefty price tag. When selecting a stay in Shibuya, consider your priorities. Are you seeking a spa retreat after long days out? Or do you prefer flexible, lived-in space? Maybe you value rooftop views or direct transit access. All these options are just steps from the crossing and nightlife districts like Nanbei Yokocho and Center Gai. Staying near Scramble Crossing also means access to top food and entertainment. Explore sushi counters, izakayas, sake bars, and late-night ramen shops within minutes. And with Shibuya Station feeding into multiple subway and rail lines, day trips to Harajuku, Shinjuku, or Kawasaki are effortless. In Shibuya, your hotel isn't just where you rest, it's your launchpad into Tokyo's most dynamic district. From luxury to budget, the right choice here means more time exploring, less time commuting, and full immersion in vibrant city life. Which type of accommodation suits your style for a Shibuya adventure?